Hi, I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at how to split geometry using offset surfaces and faces. We've now got an additional function within the split tool, allowing us to split using offset face. So we're just going to modify this geometry and select the face and a given distance to offset the geometry split, like a split plane. And repeat that for multiple surfaces on the overall solid, again specifying the offset distance and making that split. We can use this for curved faces, we can use it to shell out geometry, lots of different applications. But then for this example, if we switch to the cell picking, and then we can just remove the cells that we don't want, and we've edited that geometry. I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.